What's up, guys? Today on What to Do, we are working on a John Deere 304H loader, and the machine was running and it just shut off, and now the key is just turning like it wants to start, almost like that symptom like you ran it out of diesel. It wants to start, but it's not. I'm going to show you what the problem was with this one, and I got some of it ripped apart already, but let's jump into the middle of it. This is our loader right here. So I came around to the back of it. First thing, you wanted to check was the your fuel flow, and our filter was sitting right here, and I noticed this was packed. It was packed with a whole bunch of mud. I mean, you can still see some of it in there. So immediately I thought, all right, it's just a clogged filter. I pulled the filter off. I went and turned the switch, and I noticed nothing was coming out of my line here. I should have had a pulse diesel coming out of there. So I came over here to, now this is the new electric pump I'm putting on. But what I did was I pulled off the hose from the top, and there was a whole bunch of gook inside of the hose. So I went and I blew that line out, and then I hooked all the lines back up, turned the key, and this was running, but nothing was still coming out. I pulled the bottom line off. There was some gook in there that was clogging it, so I pulled that out, plugged it back in, turned the key. It still wasn't pumping through here. So here's the old one right here. And then I got a pick, and I actually went up in there, and you can see it right there? It's just all inside of, it's all inside of the pump. So you might, look, it's still coming out. So you might pull your lines off and blow them out, and you hear your pump running and thinking, okay, it's not the pump. But with further examination, get a pick and go down in there, I was pulling all of this stuff out of there, and that's gotta be the problem. I'm gonna go ahead and hook that new one back up. These are so easy to replace. It's literally 2 wires, 2 bolts, 2 hoses. So I'm going to finish hooking this one up, and then we're going to go ahead and try to fire it up. But I'm pretty confident that that's the problem. And I just wanted to do this video in case somebody else is, pulling these lines off and looking for any blockage or anything, but yet they still hear this running. I would look further deeper into your pump. Even though you hear it running, doesn't mean it ain't all clogged with a bunch of crap in here. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt that new one back up, and then we're going to see if we can get this sucker to fire up. Basically, your ground wire is going to go to the bolt here to this bracket, and then your power wire just connects to your power wire here, and the 2 lines. So I'm going to set the phone down. We're going to turn the key now, and see if we can get any diesel to pump out of this line now. So that was it. We're going to see if this thing fires up now, but I'm almost confident because there was nothing coming out of there before. But as you can see, it's clearly coming out of there now. So I think that would be the problem, and that's probably the problem with yours. Well, I hope it is, because that means this video helped. All right, I'm going to finish hooking everything back up, the fuel filter and stuff, and then we're going to try to fire this thing up, and then we'll call it a wrap. First thing we're going to do is turn this key, get that pump working. All right, our pump is going. You can feel, all right, our filter filled up. Now, technically, I probably should have changed this filter. I do want to see if this is going to help fire it up first, but I probably should have changed that filter now that I'm thinking of it, because I don't know how much of that crud made it through that pump. I feel like it all got jammed up in there. I don't know if much of it made it through here. There was a little bit in here. Chances of those big chunks making it through here, well, they could. So I'll probably want to see if this fires up, and then I might just change that filter out. Let's see what she does. Oh, there it goes. That was definitely it. Nice. Let's change that filter out though. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this will help you if you're having a problem with your backhoe, or I'm sorry, your loader stalling out on you and it feels like it's out of diesel. Just trace all of those things and you might just find that it's clogged up a little bit. And that pump I think was only like 40 bucks from Napa. Make sure you get one that's for a diesel. If you go to Napa and tell them you need a 12-volt fuel pump, they might give you one for gas. They do have some that are for gas and diesel as well, kind of universal ones. All right, please, guys, if you can, just hit subscribe below. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments, and I'll see you next time.